You may be aware by now you get 20% of your marks for what we call these professional marks. And professional marks are just skills that you get in supporting your management team. Not a great help, that definition, but let's have a look at what we mean in more detail. Basically, you have to be good in 5 professional skills. What are those professional skills? Well, you can see them there. Look, there's the syllabus and the leadership, governance, strategy, etc. That's all the technical content. But look how much is the professional content as well, the professional skills. And we're going to have a look at those professional skills, communication, commercial acumen, etc. In a minute. So, one thing I would say though is the more professional skills you get, the more technical marks you get. You cannot do well on technical marks unless you do well on the professional skills. So let's have a look at the professional skills in a little bit more detail to begin with. Communication, what does that mean? Just means you need to express yourself clearly and you need to make a good business case. You need to be convincing. Using the appropriate medium, that just means using briefing notes if asked for, using presentation slides if asked for, etc. Commercial acumen, I really like this one. It means you have to be a bit of a business person. So have awareness of the wider business environment, of everything that you say, think, or business-wise, does that make sense? Okay, taking advantage of opportunities. Analysis, you look at everything in the exam, all the exhibits they give you, you've looked at them all and you've come up with an appropriate recommendation. But in doing so, you've used scepticism, you've questioned, you've challenged the assumptions behind the spreadsheet that they give you. And then finally, evaluate, you've assessed everything in a balanced way. You're not just looking at it from your point of view, you look at it from everyone's and you've looked at it in a balanced way. So they're the vital professional skills, they're what the examiner's looking for, and they're going to be what I'm going to go through in loads of detail with you whenever we're doing an SBL question on accountancy.